All right, hey y'all, so we're getting right into this video today. So for this look, I am starting off on pre-stretched hair. I lightly blow dried my hair, y'all. I never really do this because if my hair is going in a protective style, I don't find it necessary to put heat on it, but I just switched it up for you guys today. After I've done this, I'm going into parting. FYI, if you are new to my channel, I do not part my hair very straight. I do not strive for excellence in that subject. I just kind of free part with my hands, y'all. I was gonna keep these braids in for a hot minute. I just needed them to look decent, and I was really doing this style to give my hair a break. Oh, it needed a break so bad. So just doing some big chunky twists. I ended up with 15 sections, and I will end up showing you guys how it came out. So the back in just a little bit. They were all kinds of different sizes and shapes, but it worked for me. You guys, so here is the hair that I got from Amazon. This is actually my first time using braiding hair. I've used twist hair before, only one other time that I purchased hair off Amazon. I was a little nervous because there were only 8 packs and I just did not think the packs were enough for the size of braids that I wanted. But this is pre-stretched hair. I have the color in 1 or 1B, I can't remember, but I will put it down in the description box for y'all. So this is what I'm using, just my Shine and Jam and my Black Panther edge control, going all around the perimeter of each braid that I'm doing. And I'm also working some edge control through the rest of my hair just to make it stretch and end up blending a little bit better. So the method that I use is my braiding crochet method. Here I'm twisting the rest of it, but you pretty much braid about 1 inch down. And next, you don't have to twist the rest of the hair. I just went on ahead and did it for this section because I thought I was gonna do my whole head like this first, but I'm just gonna go straight into showing y'all how I do it. So I'm just taking my large crochet needle, crochet hook, whatever you want to call it, because some people get a little sensitive with these crochet latch and hook, whatever, y'all know what I'm trying to say. And I'm just taking 2 pieces of hair and I'm just crocheting it through the braid. After you've crocheted your hair through the braid, you're just gonna start braiding. It is that simple. So I'm just pulling the hair through. I'm going as slow as possible for you guys so that you can really see what I'm doing. And another key thing that I use, if it hurts for you to like pull the hair back and forth and get it adjusted, it's too tight. Like it's too much hair and it's gonna be pulling on your edges and all that stuff. So I wanted to show you guys this braid because it's actually too big for this section, and I'm gonna go a little bit up close. The size wasn't horrible, but it wasn't laying right on my head, so I went back later on and fixed it. I just wanted to point that out to y'all. And then here I'm going to do another section, so adding the gel, and then I'm going to braid it up. Again, you don't have to French braid, you don't have to make a braid like all the way. You can do a 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and what that's going to do is that's just holding the hair in. This method, I say it every single time, this method is really great for those who don't have a good grip, who can't really, like do box braid. And I'm one of those people. I don't have a good grip, so I came up with this and it's been working like a dream. Like it works so well, and the braids stay so long, they last so long, y'all. So just taking that crochet needle, pulling it through. Another tip I can give you, a really good tip about the hair, how much hair to use, if it's not coming, like if it keeps coming out of your crochet needle when you're trying to pull it through, or if you're having problems like that where it's not just easily coming through, you have too much hair. And that's a tip that I kind of follow that helps me with how much hair to put in each braid. So I also ended up getting 3 jumbo braids out of each pack of hair. So there are 8 packs. So one of those 8 packs I used and got 3 jumbo braids from it. I am purposely braiding my hair like going back because I wanted to be able to add like a cute little headband or something, head wrap, whatever, on my braids and not have like the knots be so close to my forehead. I wanted them kind of pushed back. I was really just going for a very easy, simple style, and I wasn't really wanting to bun this style either. I know I bun my hair all the time. It really doesn't matter what I'm wearing, but I was really just going for wearing these down or in a ponytail, but putting some type of scarf on it or a headband on it. So this is how they ended up coming out, y'all. And I know the braids look pretty loose in the front, but I did that on purpose. You don't want them so tight that they're pulling on your edges. I don't play about my edges. So yeah, so this is how it looks. Y'all sit tight. I'm actually about to start talking in just a few seconds, just giving you guys a few more tips and pointers, and possibly I think there's a giveaway coming up very soon, like in a few minutes. All right, hey y'all, so I want to make this as quick as possible. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know a few things about this hair, this style, and my whole purpose behind this video and this look. So the hair, I love the hair. I think the hair is just fine. I really just wanted to show you guys, like really focus this video on the hair to give you guys another option, just in case, one, you don't have a beauty supply store near you, two, you can't get to the beauty supply store, or three, you don't even want to go to the beauty supply store because of the pandemic and all that kind of stuff. I wanted to find some braiding hair that was good, like good braiding hair that y'all could just order online, have it shipped to your house, and you are good to go. It just reminds me of hair that I've already tried, which is a good thing because I don't think I've tried a braiding hair at least in the past like year that I didn't like, that I would not reuse again. So if you are in need of some, if you are gonna be traveling or anything like that, you could definitely have this shipped to you in no time. Well, if you have Amazon Prime like I do, I've had Amazon Prime for like ever, then you know you're good to go. I got my next day delivery, so just want to put that out there. And I also thought the length on this hair was pretty decent. I did have to stretch it a little bit, like just a little bit, and I didn't do like every single braid, just to make it a little bit longer. So it would be nice if it came that way, but honestly y'all, I really like took couple of seconds, stretched it out, and it wasn't a mess. I didn't have a whole bunch of hair left over like you do with some braiding hair. It was fine. And also I didn't think I would have enough hair to do this to do this style, y'all. When I looked at those bags, I was like, this is not gonna work. This is, what am I gonna do? Because okay, you know. But I ended up having four, I think I have 4 bags. Let me see. I have I have 4 packs left over from the 8 packs that I started with. Okay, I have 4 packs left over. So technically I can get another style out of this $17. So I am good to go. I intended for my braids to start a little bit backwards because I wanted to be able to put a little headband or something like this on them, because I knew they were going to be big and chunky and, you know, just probably needed like a little something. I'm not a fan of this middle braid, how I did it like the front, and I realized I always do 6 braids in the front minimum, and I have 5, and I have a big head, and 5 braids just don't look good on me. So anyways, it's all good, y'all. I like the style. It's been very easy to deal with. Of course, they're just big chunky braids, and you just wake up and go do your edges and, you know, all that kind of stuff. So I did not, as you can see, I didn't seal the ends. And if you guys, I realized a lot of you don't know how to seal the ends, which is fine. That's why I'm here to help. What I had planned on doing was just taking my flexi rod and just, you know, curling it up, or taking a perm rod as well to curl my ends, and just boil some big pot of hot water, and you just stick it in there a few seconds and take it out, have a towel, squeeze it, and undo whatever you used, undo the flexi rod, and you're good to go. You'll have a curl. It's that easy. You literally just boil some hot water and stick your hair in there. Make sure you do not go too far up depending on the length of your hair, because you don't want to be burning, you know, boiling your natural hair in
with this braiding hair. A lot of you ask, how do you keep your braids from unraveling? And my trick, what I do all the time, is braid until the very end. Like braid until you cannot braid anymore. And I'm gonna show you what I mean, because on some of these I went on ahead and just braided all the way, and then on some of them I didn't, because I intended to go back and braid and dip my hair and seal it and all that, but it didn't happen. But I want to show you the difference. These two braids, this one I braided all the way down. I braided all the way down, and I think I stopped. Honestly, I probably stopped at about here, but I braided as much as I possibly could, and it's still intact. Mind you, I did not, again, for the third time, I didn't seal my hair, and it's still braided. And I've had these braids in for almost a week now. This braid here is already coming loose because I didn't even braid. Like, I stopped braiding almost like way up here. And I have all this extra hair that I could have just kept on braiding. So just wanted to show you guys that, just in case, again, you are in a situation where you can't get any boiling hot water. You're at a hotel, you're at this, you're at there. I don't know where you could possibly be, but you're somewhere where you just can't boil any hot water and seal your hair. Just braid all the way down and braid until you can't braid anymore. And this hair should stay for you like it did for me. Other than that, you guys, love this style, and I love the price even more. If you've got girls, if you want to practice your braiding, if you don't have time to go get your hair braided, or the money, or the whatever it is, you can do this style at home by yourself. Or even if you're like me and just needed to give your hair just a break, it just wanted something super simple. This hair was $19 and I only used half of it. So technically I did my hair for $9 and I'm happy with that. So today is actually Thanksgiving. That's probably why I kind of feel like I'm rushing, because it's time to eat. I'm hungry. Been cooking. I just wanted to say thank you to all of you guys who continue to support me. Y'all have really made my year. I tell people all the time that 2020 has been so good to me. I cannot complain. I won't complain, and I'm definitely looking forward to 2021. So many things have happened this year, but I just continue to be grateful for everything that God has blessed me with, my family, my health, my friends, just everything that I have. And I just want to say thank you to you guys. I'm grateful for y'all, because without you guys, I don't think I would have had the opportunities that I've had, and really feel this way about myself. I feel good about myself. I feel like I can kind of do anything. I feel like there's a really bright future ahead because you guys have my back. You guys are such a great support system for me, and I couldn't ask for any better extended family, because at this point that's what we are. So as my thank you to you guys, I'm giving away 5 packs of this hair to 5 different of you guys. This will be a random giveaway like all of my giveaways are. All you have to do is just make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and make sure you like this video, and comment down below what you are thankful for this year. It's been a tough year, but just let me know one thing that you are thankful for. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So I'm about to go eat. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, please let me know, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.